Hello students. So in this video we are going to see the 7th lesson in your textbook. So the last lesson was trigonometry. In that lesson we have discussed two branches. One is trigonometrical identity, then application of trigonometry. So this is 7th lesson. It is a new lesson. So mensuration. So it is basically about shapes and measurements, and it's based on its properties. So in the earlier classes, in your 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th, you have studied about different shapes and its area and its volume. So especially in 9th standard, you have studied about square and cube, and mainly you have studied about cube and cuboid. Okay. So in cube and cuboid you studied three things. The first one is total surface area, curved surface area and volume. So the same three things that we are going to discuss in this 10th standard also, in this particularly in this 7th lesson. Okay, TSA, CSA and volume. So you know what is CSA? Only the curved surface area. Total surface area, that is the entire surface area of an object, and volume, it is familiar, capacity of a solid. Okay. So mainly we are going to focus in 10th standard, mainly we are going to focus cylinder, a right circular cylinder, and cone, right circular cone, then frustum of a cone, then sphere and hemisphere. So these are the main 5 solids that we are going to discuss. Along with that we will see some other things also, like frustum of a cone, we will see that also, but mainly cylinder, cone and sphere and hemisphere. Okay, these are the 4 things. First, in this video we are going to discuss about cylinder. So what is mean by cylinder, how the cylinder will be, do you know how it will be? So we can say lot of examples. So what is it? It is a cylinder. So how cylinder will form? If this is a rectangular shape L and B. So if we revolve this sheet, it is a rectangular sheet, if we revolve the sheet together, see the same sheet I am going to if I revolve the sheet around, I will get a cylinder. So if we cut a cylinder shaped and if you open, we will get a rectangular sheet. Okay. So here in this cylinder we are going to see 3 things. One is curved surface area CSA, then total surface area TSA, then finally volume of a cylinder. Mainly in this we are discussing about cylinder. So curved surface area of a cylinder, total surface area of a cylinder, then volume of a cylinder. So in a cylinder If we fold a rectangular sheet, if we revolve a rectangular sheet around its one side, we will get a cylinder. In the cylinder, the top and the base of a cylinder look like a circle. So in CSA, what we will do, only we will find the curved surface area. We will not include the area of the top and bottom, only we will find the curved area. So the curved surface, the area of the curved surface of a cylinder is called curved surface area. So see, if the curved surface area, the CSA of a cylinder will be equal to this rectangle, because we are using this rectangular sheet to find the area of to form the cylinder. So definitely the same I will explain for your understanding. I will explain little clearly. See here. So I have taken a rectangular sheet. So what shape is this? This is a rectangular sheet. So this is length of a rectangle, opposite sides are equal, length of a rectangle, and this is B, breadth of a rectangle. See here, a rectangle. So what I am going to do to form a cylinder, I am just revolving this rectangular sheet around its one side. See, now I got a cylindrical cylinder. So the base of a cylinder is like a circle, and the top of a cylinder is like a circle. Top and base are like a circle. So this is the curved surface area. The area, only the curved surface area. This is curved surface area. So the curved surface area, if I open, I will get a rectangle. If I revolve, I will get a cylinder. So the CSA of a cylinder will be equal to the area of a rectangle. So what we are going to do, CSA of a cylinder is equal to area of the rectangle. Okay. So here, what is the area of this rectangle? L into B. Okay. See, now I have folded this. Now I have revolved. I made a cylinder using this rectangle. So this is base radius. Here also base radius will be same. Then this is the height of the cylinder. So base radius, because base of a cylinder is like a circle. So this radius is base radius, and this is height. See, here the curved surface area is equal to area of a rectangle. So see, if the radius of this base, I am taking this base here, the base will be like a circle. This base will look like a circle. This is base radius R. So what will be the circumference of the base? The base circumference 2 by R, because it is a circle. The circumference of a circle is 2 by R. Okay. See here, it look like a circle, radius R. So the circumference is 2 by R, area of a circle. But when it is open, the 2 by R becomes the 2 by r becomes the length of a rectangle. The length of the rectangle becomes, this is the length of the rectangle. When we make a cylinder, the length becomes the base circumference. So area of a rectangle is equal to base, length becomes base circumference into the base. See, the breadth of a rectangle becomes height of a cylinder. Okay, the breadth becomes height of a cylinder. So this is height. So what is the base circumference? Base radius r, base circumference 2 by r into height of the cylinder h. So the final answer will be 2 by r h. So this is the formula of to find the curved surface area of a cylinder. Then what about total surface area, TSA? See, I will do here the total surface area of a cylinder. The total surface means the entire surface area of a cylinder. So the entire surface area, what are the four main view? One is CSA plus the top plus the bottom. These are the entire surface. So CSA formula already we have found, 2 by RH plus how the top of a cylinder will be. The top and bottom of a cylinder will look like a circle. So this is by r square plus bottom is also by r square. So I am going to simplify this. So you can write one by one. 2 by r h, here by r square, 2 by r square. So 2 by r h plus 1 by r square plus 1 by r square, 2 by r square. This is equal to, what are the common terms? 2 pi r. Here also 2 pi r. 2 pi r into here h plus here 1 r is remaining. R square is here. R வெளியில் எடுத்துட்டோம்னா balance 1 r. 2 by r h plus r square unit. So this is the total surface area of a cylinder. Are you clear? So just formula memory பண்ணா மாத்திரம் பத்தாது. You should not memorize the formula. You should not mug up. So we have to understand how the formula works. Why we are using this formula? How the formula came? So curved surface area is 2 by r h. Total surface area is 2 by r h plus r. Then we will come to the volume. So mainly in 9th standard you have studied about the volume. Volume is mainly volume. What determines the volume of an object? See, there is a rectangle. So this is cuboid. So see, this is base and this is height. When the height increasing, the volume of this object will increase. And also if the base area increases, definitely the volume will increase. So the height, you can write it now, base area and height or determine the volume of any object. Cylinder க்கு மாத்திரம் இல்ல. whether it is a square or whether it is a cuboid or cube or cone, whatever it may be, the base area and the height determines the volume. So product of base area and height are equal to volume. So what is the base area? Base is like a circle. So what is the base area? Area of a circle. So pi r square into what is the height of the cylinder? H. So pi r square H. Very simple. For this cubic unit, if it is area, CSA, TSA, total surface area, curved surface area, or simply area, if we find area, we have to use square unit as a unit. If you are finding volume, we have to use cube unit, okay, cubic unit. Okay, these are the three important formula of cylinder. So can you say what are the three formulas? Now we have discussed about cylinder, and in cylinder we have discussed three things. One is curved surface area, total surface area, and volume. So the CSA of a cylinder is 2 by r h. Then TSA of a cylinder 2 by r h plus r, and the volume of a cylinder by r square h. Okay. So for area we have to use square unit, and for volume we have to use cubic unit. So in the example and exercise question, they will give any of these datas. They may give the radius, or they may give the height. They will give r and h, and we have to find area, curved surface area or total surface area, or we have to find volume. So according to the question, we have to apply the formula and we have to solve the problem. Very good, thank you. I hope you understood the CSA, TSA and volume of cylinder.